In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. This one. Now to pick any of your already accessible keyboards, use those icons at the top right corners. This way you will be able to see all available options. After deciding which one is the best one for you, click on it. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, use the same icon, and this time click on this plus one under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and tap on apply. To make any changes to any of your themes, click on the same icon. Now you can manage all of them under my themes. In case of downloaded ones, tap on it, and to delete it from this section, mostly to get rid of the clutter, because you can always download it the same way, use this bin and hit yes. To edit one of your custom ones, tap on this pen, make your changes, and make sure to hit apply. If you want to delete any of your custom themes, click on it and use bin icon. Be sure of your choice though, because after you delete it, you will have to remake it to get it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!